Displayr's data preparation agent cleans, structures, and checks your survey data the moment you upload it. Variables are renamed, scales fixed, and poor quality responses flagged, all transparently, while you stay in control. What used to take 3 hours now takes about 60 seconds. Once your data is added, start analyzing or continue to the research agent. It will suggest research questions based on your data. Edit, replace, or keep the prompt as is. Next, take a look at the data the agent wants to analyze. Add or remove data as you see fit. Ready for the agent to crunch the numbers, pull out insights, and spot patterns and themes, and turn it all into a report, complete with conclusions, strategic recommendations, and corresponding data visualizations ready to share as a dashboard or report. Pretty cool, right? Try Displayr's data preparation agent today. Book a demo via the link in the description.